Give me sunshine,
What's
yeah,
up,
yeah.
everybody, and welcome to the Instant Tutorials by The Rugged, where every week we teach you a new breaking technique. My name is Roy, and today we will be doing the baby freeze on 3 different levels. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get to it. So, baby freeze looks like this. Shaboom, shaboom, shabam. As you can see, you have 3 points of where you support your body. Kind of like a tripod. So think of yourself that you're the camera. Make sure that the tripod is alright, otherwise the tripod is going to fall and the camera is broken, costs a lot of money, you don't want it. So, point 1, boom, in your hip to the side. Point 2, by your knee, don't forget to put your fingers to the side. Last one is your head. So, 2 hands, 1 hand. To make it a bit more interesting, we're going to do 3 levels. So this is the middle level. We can go a little bit higher, and you have to shift your weight and go to your elbow. Yes, so one more time. You're in the baby freeze, and then you're going to shift, slide to the side, level up. You can go down by doing this. Make sure that your voice cracks and go to your shoulder. Yeah, you can also go back to your elbow and back to the baby freeze. Yes, so use your baby freeze and make it a bit more interesting by using different levels. Especially when you're stacking, it makes it just more interesting instead of just being on one level all the time. Check out the tutorial by Lee for stacking freezes. Use this in this exercise. Enough talking, go to practice. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next week.
Yo, can't get enough of our tutorials? Click on the link right here. And if you want to support us even more, you can buy some merch at theruggeds.com.